In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Discord not opening on your mobile device. First, launch your settings. Now head over to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable and strong, as weak connection can prevent Discord from opening properly. Next, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Discord. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Down Detector. Now search for Discord. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be solved from their side. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete Discord from your device and again reinstall it. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device, and that's it. This way your Discord should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.